So today I'm about to show you how to connect your self-hosted N8N instance to the internet using a Cloudflare Proxy tunnel. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Zero Trust. Expand the Networks tab, click on Tunnels and select Create a Tunnel. Choose Cloudflare as your connector type. Give your tunnel a descriptive name like N8N's local and click Save. Next, select your operating system like Docker and copy that generated terminal setup containing your unique tunnel token. Run that command in your terminal to pull the Cloudflare service daemon and instantly establish a secure, encrypted link back to the Cloudflare network. Finally, click Next on your dashboard to configure the public hostname. Select your target custom domain. Define a subdomain like N8N. Set the service type parameter to HTTP. Type localhost 5678 into the URL block and click Save. And that's it. That's how to connect your N8N flow using a Cloudflare Proxy tunnel. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.